So we're supposed to do a video for the First Form Athlete Search, what we're going to spend our money on if we win the $10,000. First of all, I'm going to get a haircut. I look ridiculous. I mean, this is just, it's just stupid. I always have long hair because I spend my money on food and gas in my car when my car runs. That's another thing. Fix my car would be number 2. Power. I mean, I get a chest, back, and bicep and shoulder pump every time I drive because the power steering is gone, which I don't mind. I mean, it's my car. I bought it, and they never got to hand it to me, and I fix it when I can. I think the majority of the money would go, I'd put a roof on my mom's house. It needs a roof. And after that, it would just go into the business, my Brick House Fitness and Powerlifting business. I'd move the gym out of the basement, and I'd look for a facility. I'd open it up and put new equipment in there and just kind of do that. The rest of the money would be, let's say, nutrition, better nutrition. I'd be able to afford more stuff. Traveling from competition to competition as a power lifter, you know, we don't get paid to do this, or most of us don't, and you know, all the money comes out of our pockets. And the competitions are very far and few between that we get paid to do it, and even then you have to be top of the top, and that might be $500. It's not a lot of money. So to do what we love to do, we got to spend a little money, and most of the time we can't. You know, a lot of the times the guys that are top, we don't get to go to the big competitions because we simply can't afford it. So that's mostly what I'd spend my money on, and vacations don't really get me. I don't need brand new watches or brand new. Oh, I'd get jeans that fit, and I'd get them tailored because my thighs are so freaking big comparison to my waist that I gotta buy size 44 waist just so my legs fit in the damn things. And every other pair of jeans that I've ever owned, I've blown the ass out of them because every time I sit down, the seam shreds because my damn legs are so big. Definitely getting a pair of jeans with that money. Besides, one more thing that'd be great. I did another video a while back about how I did a bench press for cancer meet with me and my team in high school, and the money that got raised basically got put in people's pockets to keep the story short. I would love to do another one, but have me run it and take that money and whatever I needed to rent, like the hall or whatever I needed, would get rented, and if I needed to rent some equipment or pay some guys, you know, to help me spot and load, I'd do that with it and really get, you know, bench press for cancer going. I'd get you know, a powerlifting meet for lupus and a bunch of different things. I love doing stuff like that. They just don't have it around here, and I'd love to be the first guy to do it and really help people out and not put money in my damn pocket. So that's my video. I hope you guys like it. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm glad you're doing a sponsorship like this for everybody, for the nobodies, because there's a lot of us out there that really need the help and would really appreciate it, and appreciate a company stepping up and really putting their money where their mouth is. So thanks, guys. See you later.